Hello, Ken Eagle here with Digital Projection. Today I want to talk about projector lens shift. So what is lens shift? Lens shift is a mechanism inside the projector that allows the lens to travel up, down, left and right within the projector chassis. This adjustment allows the projected image to travel in the same direction while preserving the geometry of the image. Lens shift is done either mechanically with a dial or a wrench, or electronically through the menu buttons or the remote control. Take, for example, a picture hanging on the wall. Raise that picture up so that the bottom edge of the picture is in the location where the center of the picture used to be. Lens shift allows the projector to move the image in this same fashion without having to physically move the projector. Instead, the lens travels inside the projector to create this effect. Let's take a look at how keystone correction differs from lens shift. Digital keystone correction allows you to stretch or squash the edges of an image to square up the picture when the geometry is not in perfect alignment. Digital keystone correction uses compression techniques to alter edge pixels, which can produce artifacts along the corrected portion of the image. Lens shift, however, will not alter the image's geometry, and lens shift will produce better looking images. Some projectors employ only vertical lens shift, while others offer both vertical and horizontal. Other projectors still offer a fixed lens offset, meaning the lens shift is already built in and fixed at one particular angle or degree of shift. Digital projection specifies the lens shift capabilities of our products relative to the size of the projected image. When it comes to lens shift, we refer to the size of the projected image as a frame. In the case of our projectors with on-axis optical designs, the lens shift range defines the maximum shift available from a reference point in the center of the frame. That reference point initially places the projector perpendicular to the screen and both horizontally and vertically positioned at the center of the screen. In this diagram, notice that lens shift allows the projector to be mounted above or below the projected image's vertical center while still allowing the image to fill the full screen height without producing digital artifacts. We measure lens shift as an offset from the projected image's vertical center. We quantify it as a percentage of the projected image's height. In the example above, we would quantify lens shift as 0.25 or 25% of frame of the projected image's total height measured from the image's vertical center. Lens shift would be noted as plus or minus 0.25. A positive number will indicate lens shift above the image center, while a negative number will indicate lens shift below the image center. When the projector is centered in front of the projected image, the lens shift or offset is 0%. When the projector is above or below the projected image so that the top or bottom of the image is level with the projector's lens, the lens shift is plus or minus 50%. Horizontal lens shift works the same way as vertical lens shift, but the projector is moved to the left or right of the image's horizontal center. If you have additional questions regarding lens shift, please contact Digital Projection's application support team for assistance, or visit us online at www.digitalprojection.com.